Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel, and today I will show you how to manage Google passwords on your VIVO Y17. First step to manage our Google password is look for Google Chrome on our Vivo and open it. After that, we choose three dots on the right corner and navigate to the one of the last options, settings. In settings, we choose password manager, and there we can manage our Google password. We can turn off or turn off function of save passwords or auto sign-in, or there we have password which our telephone, smartphone remember, and in this case it's Facebook password. We can click there, and after that we can see our email. We can copy our email or copy our password, but after click the eyes icon, we can see our password. The last function in this part is we can delete password which remember our telephone. To do that, we click there and confirm all by delete password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.